Well, WTI futures continue to spiral downwards. If we close today in the red, it'll be the first time in history that we've seen 12 consecutive days of losses for the futures. Right now, WTI futures are trading at levels we haven't seen since the end of January, early February, and again, 12 straight days of losses. Right now, 5-day basis, WTI has lost 7.5%. A 1-month basis at a stunning 20.75%. Yet year to date in the red at 121 basis points. Beyond the headlines that we're seeing, the overarching theme continues to be weakness in physical supplies, catching up with OPEC adding so much more oil to the system, especially with Saudi Arabia, the kingdom. Also, the Iran sanctions with leftover barrels of the overhang of that from November the 4th, adding supply to the whole thing, considering the fact that Libya also came up and stabilized their market much quicker than most people ever thought, given a lot of supply to the market, hence the drop that we've seen. Most traders are anticipating a short-term bounce, and maybe not even a one-day bounce, but a short-term bounce based on several factors, one of them being the prospects of having a cold winter, which will add 300,000 to 600,000 barrels a day of middle distillate demand. Also, we're in the global refinery season, 3 to 6 million barrels a day. That should happen over the next 2 to 6 weeks. We'll see what happens with that. And lastly, financial liquidation. Let's face it, oil has dropped almost 21% in the last month. Seems like anybody who's out of the market has gotten out, and it's pretty hard for anybody to get short at these levels right now.